Good morning, students. Miss Mack here. We're going to do a mindfulness exercise, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. I am in my son's room today because he has a sound machine. Excuse me. And so we are going to breathe for 2 minutes like we always do. But we're going to do an experiment. Let's see if I play the sound machine while we're breathing, if it's easier to focus on the sound. So your job is to do your breathing for 2 minutes and to focus on the sound of the sound machine. At any time that you have different thoughts, just again, bring yourself back to the sound of the sound machine and be thinking, and what you'll talk about after is if it was easier to focus because of the sound. I don't know. It's just an experiment. So I'm hoping you can hear that. All right, so we're going to breathe together for 2 minutes. Try to focus on the sound. All right, you guys can stop. All right, so the sound machine is what I would like to call an anchor. So an anchor, I'm not sure if you know, but an anchor is something they throw off a boat to hold the boat in place so that it doesn't drift off. The sound machine, I was hoping, was going to act as an anchor for your focus. I was hoping the experiment is, does the sound help you to just focus on the breathing and keeping your mind from going all the different directions? So go ahead and talk about that as a class. Do you feel like the sound helped? Did it help you focus on breathing and just sound and not worrying about all those other thoughts? So go ahead and talk about that as a class. Thank you for practicing with me today.